In the last video, we saw how to integrate our AQI component with a backend and fetch live AQI data based on the location from the search query. Now, we'll look at how we can publish this component so it appears on the hyperDart platform. Let's get started. Before we begin the publishing process, let's make sure we have an updated output directory containing both the front-end and back-end builds. First, run npm run build in the main project directory to generate the front-end build. Then, navigate to the backend directory and run npm run build there as well. Now, if you look inside the dist folder, you'll see that it contains both the front-end and backend builds. Now, head over to our partner portal, also known as the hyperDart App Store. Here, under the All Packages section, you can see all the components that are currently live on the hyperDart, and we also have a documentation tab that links to our component documentation. Before we can begin publishing, we first need to log in. Once you log in successfully, you'll be redirected back to the portal. You'll now have access to the developer section. To be able to publish packages, we first need a developer account, so let's create one. While creating it, provide a brief description explaining why you need the developer token, and optionally add your organization name if you have one. Once the request is submitted and your developer account is created, you'll receive access to a developer token, which will be used to publish your package. And now you'll also have access to the My Packages section. The My Packages section is currently empty because we don't own any packages yet for this account. So let's start by creating a new package. Our component is called AQI, and it should be created under the scope available to us. Available scopes are mentioned below the text box and include the username and organization name. Once package has been created, the next step is to publish our AQI package so it appears here in the portal. To publish our package, we'll need the developer token we received earlier. Open a terminal and set this token in your environment. Next, go to package.json and make sure the package name matches exactly with the package we created on the portal. Also, verify that the version is set. In the Files section, ensure that both the dist directory and the hyperdart.config.js file are included, since these are required during publishing. Since the registry is already configured in publish config, we can directly run npm publish. Once the package is published successfully, head back to the portal and check your package. You'll notice that the published version is currently marked as under review. You will receive an approval email once published version is approved. Once approved, you'll notice that it no longer shows the under review status on details page of your package. At the bottom, you can see that the version is now marked as published. You can also go to All Packages and search for your package, and you'll find it listed there as well. You can also edit your package details. Navigate to the Edit page of your package. Here you can add or update the summary of your package. You can also modify the description, which is initially picked from your README file. You can also add a logo. Upload screenshots or relevant images for your component. Select a category and even add a video URL if you have one. Once you save the changes, you'll see your package details updated successfully. Now, let's go to the hyperDart platform and perform a query like AQI near me. And here you can see our component successfully rendering on the hyperDart platform, displaying all the data. Users can like your component or follow you to see more of your content. This is how we can publish a component so it appears on the hyperDart platform. Right now, our component appears only for the set of keywords and regex patterns we defined in the hyperDart config. In the next video, we'll see how to handle more complex and dynamic queries by integrating the component with AI. Thanks for watching, and happy building!